I'm just editing this video right now, and the video was getting too long and I don't want to give you guys like a 25 minutes video, so I'm split this in two. The other one is gonna be about race shopping, which is nuts. You don't want to miss that one, right? So enjoy today's upload. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Game Match here as always. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, my apologies if you thought there was a clickbait. You know, the only way that I can do a daily vlog is take you guys to, you know, my daily life. And yesterday I took you guys to New York, but I really appreciate your support. If you can give me that thumbs up. I'm bringing tons and tons of truck content. I'm just waiting for the company to send me the discount, and you guys probably gonna take advantage of that as well. So what I'm gonna do now, one of my friends, you guys probably gonna see him on the channel a lot going forward because he has a shop. His mainly thing is Corvettes. He also does truck stuff. So, and he got a Zr2 though, and I'm dying to see. We're going there and we're gonna check. Without further ado, cold start. Close the door and let's go. Yeah, the challenge of doing daily vlogs, it's because, you know, I do on my spare time. In spare time I mean like when I have breaks of work or when normally I get home. Those are the days and times that I make videos. What happened with the vinyl, right? The guy, because we had a snowstorm, as you guys probably know by now, this guy specific where his shop is, they were without lights for like more than 3 days, so he didn't open his shop. So I gotta wait a little bit more. Maybe I'll pick it up something tomorrow, or today is almost impossible, maybe tomorrow. That's basically it for the other updates I need to give you guys. And by the way, let me know if there's anything else that you guys want to know, like specific. I would love to share and hear you guys. Leave in the comment below so I can kind of, you know what you guys want to hear or you guys want to see in the vlog. Bear with me, alright? If you're here for the Corvette, it's coming. But now, truck stuff. Here we are, race shop. So he shares with his sons the shop, and his son has wrap, detailing, all the kind of stuff shop. So if you ever need something like this, come over to Ray. He can take care of your Corvette and also do a detailing or something like that. I hope he's here though. Oh yeah, look at that Colorado though. Look at that Colorado. It's a Zr2. It looks brand new though. I gotta park next to him though. Which color is that? If you ever wondering how my Colorado is next to a Zr2, look at that. Beautiful. Wow. This thing is sweet. He got the bed liner and everything. I gotta say though, the Zr2 it's a nice truck. I gotta say, I really do. I like that color though. I really do like that color. The thing is though, it's this worth. I'm wondering how much he paid for. Inside's pretty much like my truck. Look, he has Corvettes as far as your eyes can see. Hello? I saw that nice Colorado outside. What up, dude? How are you, man? I drove another day. I was like, I can't believe he got a Colorado.
Yeah, when they came out, when they were introducing, I think in 17, the Zr2, I saw a promo, and it was actually a prototype truck, and it was green. And I told my kid, as soon as I saw it, was a picture of it coming straight out, that they still use that. And I told him, I said, and I had just gotten the Av. I had the Av a couple years. I'm like, that's my next truck. Nice. That's my next truck.
And I'll tell you though, you're gonna love that.
I'll tell you what, I've had it about a week now. Actually, yeah, exactly a week. Yesterday was a week. I picked it up the day before Thanksgiving. Nice, nice. And what do you have, a 6-inch lift kit?
Yeah.
And I think these have a 4-inch lift kit from the factory. Yeah, you're about 2 inches taller. Yep.
But I think you know you got better shocks and everything.
Well, yeah, it has the pre-runner.
Exactly. Before I put the lift kit on it, was like the Zr2 was like way super higher than this. Like they stock Z71.
They say the body's wider on the Zr2.
And of course the front, the hood, Yep. I was thinking about to get the hood to put in that one.
They have them. Yeah. They have the aftermarket ZR hoods.
Yeah. And the bumper, I just like, this is perfect if you go off-roading. Yeah, it's perfect. How many miles on it?
When I bought it, it had 19,000 on it. No, I paid $30,000 for it. To 17. 19,000 just came in off a 3-year lease. It was a corporate-owned truck. One owner, an old dude that was a manager, drove it, non-smoker.
It's a 3.6, right?
Yeah, 3.6.
It's the same than mine.
Yeah.
And inside is probably pretty much like
pretty
mine.
Much the same. Yours is 17?
Yeah, 17.
Yeah, it probably. You can open it. It's unlocked.
It's unlocked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's super clean though.
Oh yeah, no, it's like brand freaking new, man.
Yeah, it smells like new.
That's why I took it. I sucked it up.
I think now I'm getting up there because mine's 30 now.
No, dude, my ab, I just parted with 200. And that's early for me. I usually keep until 300.
And I like
I like it.
I like they keep like the black bow tie.
My son blacked
Ah,
out.
he blacked out,
he
because
the first day I got it, I brought it home. He blacked out both bow ties, and he blacked out the bow tie and the steering wheel for me.
So as I said, Ray's son has a rep shop. If you guys ever need anything, I'll leave the link in the description below, like his website and stuff, and Instagram.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap the hood scoop brushed titanium.
Brushed titanium. Oh, so I gotta come here to see it.
Silver. Yeah, so we're gonna do that and brush titanium. We may do some graphics on the side. I'm not sure yet.
I need to talk with your son because I want to do something. I want to do something.
Yeah.
I want to. Yeah. When he's here, I'll try to stop by.
Yeah.
I just love this Zr2 though.
And they say you could throw 35s right on this thing without doing anything.
I think so.
Yeah, throw 35s right on it. They'll clear everything.
Yeah, I think so. Yep. You're not gonna have any problem.
These I think are 32s. Came with the pre-runner spare tire mount.
Oh, did you remove it?
They already had it unbolted. They just laid it in here. And the spare is the Zr2 wheel. The spare is the Zr2 wheel with the full tire.
Oh, nice.
It's underneath now.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I have the carrier in there. I'm gonna mount that and put that in just because it's cool as hell. But
yeah,
you lose the whole bed.
Yeah, that's the thing though. That's the thing.
Bed.
Yeah, but it looks clean though. That's the best. That's the best, buy you have. Like, not use it. It's 17 with 19,000 miles on it. It's just like the best thing you can buy.
And for 30 grand, you can't touch these things. They're in the 40s. We're gonna unbolt this, which just removes that black plate, and we're gonna wrap the brushed titanium
the same to match the hood.
So that'll be brushed titanium.
Cool.
But we'll do something on the side. I'm just not sure what. But I ordered these, the Zr2 emblem. I ordered 4 of those.
Okay.
2 of them. One's going here.
Oh yeah.
On the side.
Yeah.
Then the other one's going right there.
Gotcha.
And then the 4th one
inside
is going.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Right there.
That's what I thought.
Yep.
No, the hood's gonna look sweet.
Yeah.
It's gonna look like the Zr I want.
I'll show you the vinyl I'm gonna use.
It's cold.
I just finished those with calipers. I just did those. Rotors.
These rotors. Because I was thinking to get new rotors for mine. Oh,
that's the color.
That's what's going to the hood.
Yeah, brushed titanium. This one is brushed titanium. That one is brushed steel. I'm going with the brushed titanium.
Let me see if you can see the difference. Yeah, it's a little different.
Yeah, so this will be on the hood, on the scoop.
What's the scoop?
And then that word Colorado, that's color match, will then be this color. And then we may do something on the side. I'm not sure yet.
And you think about going bigger tires?
Yeah, just not yet. I'll turn those out.
Yeah. Drive a little bit with it. Yeah.
And if I do, I'll go with 35. But my black Avalanche, when I first got that, I have 40s on it. Then I went to 37s.
Okay.
And then my third set is because tires like that only last a year.
Yeah.
So it went from 40s to 37s down to 35s, and 35s are the last 2 sets of tires I kept. It's more drivable.
Yeah.
37s, 40s, it looked fantastic. The car wasn't drivable.
Yeah, exactly.
That was my 5th one. My son is 23, and he's never seen me in anything
a different
other than an Avalanche.
Now he's like,
he wants this. I can't get his ass out of here. Every time I turn around, he's taking the keys and going out the door. But it's cool. It's got inside, it's got the off-road package for the Zr2. It's got the geometrics and for outside. So it tells you degrees.
It's all technology.
Yeah, my son said that thing will go anywhere. He said take it out to Roush Creek. He said anywhere a Jeep goes, that thing will.
Yeah, definitely go. Definitely go.
So it's a beautiful.
If one day you go there, let me know. I'll go with you guys.
We have a buddy who is a state trooper in Jersey, and he lives close to here, and he's a good friend of ours, Adam. He has a Jeep. He goes out to Roush Creek all the time. So we told him next time he goes to Roush Creek, we're going to go.
Yeah, let me know. Yeah. Let me know for sure. But again, if you guys, one day you guys going out with the off-roading, let me know.
Oh, definitely.
Let me know.
Because now my son's chomping at the bit to go to Roush Creek with the truck. That's all I'm talking about.
What he drives, like his daily driver?
My son's daily driver is a 2003 Silverado Super Sport.
Super Sport,
all-wheel drive. Yeah. It's just shy of 600 horse, black.
That thing is fast.
It's a beast.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the same thing, that gets 3 miles there.
Yeah. So you guys heard. So if you need anything from Corvettes or anything, you can contact Ray. His information is gonna be on the description below. I will come back when he does all this stuff he said he would do. He's gonna put like the Zr2 badge on the hood. He's gonna wrap some stuff. I'll come back for that for sure. We are gonna plan to do some off-roading stuff with those 2 trucks. You guys gonna get a lot of Zr2 stuff as well. So thank you, Ray, for your friendship and the fact you let me record with your Colorado and stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna come back when he's almost done with his Colorado. We're gonna come back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload as always. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Never forget, enjoy your life.